So here we are back with more cases from Caudabe, and these are cases that I've been waiting for. So let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So, Caudabe Sheath, no secret of it, one of my top 10, maybe top 5 cases from last year for the 14 Pro Max. Absolutely fantastic cases, well made, and was 100% one of the cases that I constantly kept going back to last year. So, big expectations here. So let's check them out. We have the black and the Amethyst versions here. So we have Batman and the Joker, indeed. So let's just check these out. There we go. There's the black. And there's the Amethyst, which is really nice. It's kind of a shame that there is no purple iPhone this year, because the 14 Pro Max in deep purple with this color was really, really nice last year. So, and there we are, black and Amethyst. Lovely. And as you can see, they have added the microfiber lining, which they featured in the S23 Ultra cases, and I really liked it and was hoping that they were going to bring it to the Sheath, and they have done, which is really nice. It's so soft, and then inside we've got all the details here, serial number and genuine Caudabe product and Caudabe's branding, and it's just really, really well made. It's so nice. And then on the side then we have our buttons. We have our volume up and down. This case does have a cutout for the action button, and Caudabe have made a statement about the action button, saying that, you know, when they were first developing the case, there was all the leaks and rumors about the action button, and like other case manufacturers out there, they didn't put a button in place because they weren't 100% confident that the leaks and rumors were true. Makes sense, and they have done this. What Caudabe have done though is that they are making a action button version of this case, and it will be available in October. And when this is available, if you have purchased the version with the cutout already, Caudabe will exchange it for the action button version free of charge. That's pretty awesome. So top marks Caudabe for that. That's pretty sweet. But if you're like me, it doesn't really matter if it's a button or not. Just straight up, doesn't really matter. But I will be getting the action button versions later on, and I will do a comparison video as well. So how about that? Let's just weigh these cases. 45 grams. 45 grams. So let's just pop this phone in. So this is the blue titanium iPhone, and I was a bit worried that the blue titanium was going to look out of place on a black case or even the purple case, but you know what, I don't think it looks bad at all. What do you think? I really like it, and the quality of this case is on par with last year, and I am really happy with it. And buttons then, as you can see, volume up and down, and the cutout for the action button, as you can see there as well, it is cut in a way that allows easy pressing of the action button, so there's no issues there, as you can see. No problem. And then the buttons on the case, really click in responsive. And fitment then, if we just do the fitment test, so if I just twist the corners of the case, the phone doesn't even move whatsoever. So if it was a bad fitting case, the phone would sort of wiggle out as I was twisting it, but there's not even any movement there whatsoever, which is fantastic. And then screen lip, as you can see, the screen lip does come up over the display. It's not a massive screen lip, but it does come up over the display. So if you do set it down flat, the display's not going to get roughed up, which is great. And then the camera bump, you can see there as well, the lenses don't protrude out. It's a decent camera bump, and if you set it down flat, those lenses aren't going to get scuffed up, which is great. That's what you want to see. The feel of this case, now this texture on the sheath is what makes this case so good. It is so grippy and hard wearing, and I can't fault this whatsoever. I constantly went back to this case on the 14 Pro Max last year, and it was so grippy, and it wears and ages so well. Here's our cutouts for the USB-C and the speaker ports. And you know, we've got that sort of matte textured finish, and it's grippy, and it's that texture all the way around, so you know that it's going to be grippy no matter what way you pick up this case. I think that's one of the reasons why I went back to this case so many times with the 14 Pro Max. It was just so good of a case. And little refinements, you know, the microfiber lining on the inside, just to not get any marks on the back of that finish, and it's just really good. So good. Magsafe. Now, Magsafe Test this case, and the Caudabe Sheath and the Synthesis last year were definitely one of the best Magsafe cases for me overall. Fantastic magnets, fantastic Magsafe, and I am expecting big things from these. So let's just check this out. Look at that. That's great. Perfect. Perfect. So good. So good. Did not disappoint. So yeah, that is the black. So for completion then, I will do the Amethyst version as well. And there you go. So that's the Amethyst version on the blue iPhone. And again, it doesn't look too out of place, which is really good. Cut out there for the action button, as you can see. Silent, on and off, no issues. You can actually hear that action button clicking, no problem. And then the buttons on the case. Perfect. Consistency, so consistent. And then yeah, we've got that same textured feel, and it's so nice. So nice. And just for completion then, we'll just Magsafe test this as well. Look at that. Top marks. I know that I didn't review the purple cases last year. My wife Kylie did, and sadly she's just unavailable at the moment. But she sends her love. If you want to see Kylie back in some more case review videos, leave me a hashtag down below of "We Want Kylie." Not too many though, because you know you'll hurt my feelings and then cry. So there we go, that's the Sheath. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Is the action button a big thing for you guys, or does it even matter? Let me know in the comments down below, because this will help Caudabe big time, and Caudabe will watch this video and they'll see your comments. So any questions or any comments or any feedback, let me know in the comments down below, because this is what makes these products better, and they get better every time. So without you guys, we'll be lost. So sweet. As always, if you are looking to pick any of these cases up, I will leave you a link in the description down below. Affiliate links help support the channel, but they don't cost you guys any more money. So if you do pick up any using my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. That about wraps up this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked the channel. I have a lot more 15 Pro Max content coming, cases, accessories, and even more stuff, so stay tuned for that coming. And keep it locked, because I will also have the Caudabe Synthesis in for review as well. So if you are a big fan of the other Caudabe cases, stay tuned, because there's more coming. If you want to see more down to earth tech review and accessory videos, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later.